Hello everyone, Dalton's Garage with a quick video today on my recent thrift store pickup here. We have actually my dad found this, but he's going to let me do a video on it here. This is a Money Duck by Virginia Candle Company, and we paid 99 cents for this. He brought it to me and said you can't really go wrong with this because it's guaranteed $1. Each bar contains real money, 1, 5, 10, 20, or even a $50 bill. In retail, you can't see in the video, but this was $11.99. And to use, remove from mold, and lather with water for use on hands and body. We are just going to go ahead and break right into it. See what kind of money we have in our Money Duck, and see if it was worth buying for 99 cents. So I got this little pan here we're going to break it up in, and we can go ahead and cut it out of the packaging, and hopefully we can get lucky here. I've seen other YouTubers make a video on this, so hopefully we can get a little more than $1. Apologize for my dogs barking. Yeah, kind of old looking, however it doesn't smell too bad. You can see the little pouch in there. Go ahead and discard the packing. Got a little plastic backing. Okay, this doesn't seem too bad. Let's go ahead and get this trusty bread knife here. See if we can't cut right into it and get to it. Because normally you would use this until you get to it, but for the video purposes we're going to get right into it, and there we go. We are in it that quickly. Awesome, awesome, awesome. Here is the little pouch. Alright, this is pretty easy. I've seen other people struggling a little online. Let's go ahead and dive right in. I do see the money. Let's see if I can't get pair of scissors to pull it out. That's a bummer. As you can see, it's $1. Unfortunately, it's $1. It smells like soap too. Well, hey, we didn't get the 5, 10, 20, or 50. However, it was fun. I do have some good old soap here to use, which it don't smell too bad. I might as well save that. Well, that is pretty neat if you ask me. Well, we still have $1. We didn't lose any money in this transaction, so. Alright, that's a real $1 too. This note is legal tender for all debits, public and private. Awesome. Well, still, $1 is $1. You can't go wrong there. Thanks for watching this short little video clip of my thrift store find. If you would like to see more thrift store finds on a daily or weekly, drop a comment down below, subscribe to the channel, and we'll be throwing up some more content. So hope to see you around. Thanks for watching. Dalton's Garage signing out. Until next time.